Hey guys, Gretchen's Vegan Bakery here. Yes, we have all seen the red velvet recipe before, but I thought 2021 needed a slightly updated video tutorial. So real quick, just to show you how easy it is to mix this cake batter. It is a 1-bowl mix and no mixers required, not even for the icing. The batter can be made into cupcakes or layer cakes just the same. I have everything listed out for you in written printable form as usual on my website at gretchensveganbakery.com, so be sure to click the link in the box below this video. This is the same recipe I used when I owned my bakery, but with a quick fix of some flax meal to replace those eggs, we are good to go. And just a quick note, this is a recipe made with red food coloring, but I also have a no-dye version of red velvet cake too, and I'll link to that video at the end of this one. But if you're in a hurry and you want to skip on out of here, grab the recipe link for that one. It is below this video as well. But for right now, we are going classic OG version red velvet cake. So get all those liquids into a large mixing bowl along with that flax paste. Add the sifted dry ingredients and whisk it smooth. That's it. Scoop the batter into your paper-lined cupcake pans or bake the batter into round cake pans instead. I also made a Valentine's version of this same recipe a few years ago by baking the batter into a sheet pan. Then I cut out some heart shapes, and then I got all fancy like with my Russian piping tips. Who remembers those? Thumbs up for the Russian piping tip gang. Well, whatever way you decide to bake this batter, while it is baking, you're going to make the cream cheese icing, and honestly, this actually has to be done by hand. For some reason, vegan cream cheese loves to turn into soup if you mix it too vigorously. So by mixing the vegan butter with the sifted confectioner's sugar, then just fold in that vegan cream cheese by hand and you will avoid a soupy mess. No soup for you! Alright, so here are my finished cupcakes and another look at the layer cake version. Really just do whatever you want with this recipe. Make them into cupcakes or layer cakes or even cake pops. Are cake pops even still a thing? Wow, so many OG trends all in one video today. How fun! Speaking of fun, thanks for checking out my video today. I hope you will subscribe here to my channel for more of the best vegan bakes coming at you, I don't know, maybe once or twice a week? So thanks to everyone for watching, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.